Hey, what's up guys, it's Rob. Happy you guys are watching this video because if you guys didn't see the previous video, we got some new shit in the mail. We have a Crescendo FT1 super tweeter. We're going to be unboxing this little fucking thing today. We got the crossover as well. And I explained this in the other video. I'll explain it real quick again. I'm starting the expedition. We're starting to buy shit. We're going to be making custom door panels, a custom hatch, custom A-pillars, wiring and batteries and amps, getting a subwoofer enclosure in there, putting 8 Sundown ZV518s in there, lots of power, lots of bass, lots of speakers. So if you guys are interested in seeing the whole car be built from start to finish, definitely be sure to be subscribed. But anyway, getting on with the unboxing here. Nice little Crescendo packaging, same as the other speakers, just smaller. We're going to look in here, and you guys can see these wire ends have been stripped. I was listening to this speaker today at work. I cheated a little bit. It screams even at only 40 watts, and these things go up to 80, so I can't wait to see what a shit ton of these are going to sound like. But we have just a little Crescendo crossover here so I can make sure that this tweeter is getting the best frequencies for it as possible. So we got these. We're going to get, I mean, they're 12 bucks, but we're going to get one with every tweeter to make sure they all sound as good as possible. I could manually set my own crossover, but I feel that this is always the best way to do it if it's something that's available to you. Or getting one built onto your tweeter, depending on if that's an option. Other than that, in the box we just have some mounting screws. Put those in the pile with the other ones. And then we're going to pull this tweeter out. And it's actually a pretty small for a super tweeter that's also a bullet. And like kind of like a cross horn design is kind of what they call these. Yeah, we just got Crescendo 8 ohm. We got 8 ohm because we're going to be wiring 4 of them together per channel. Because we plan on having a lot of them, so I'm able to cut down on amplifiers a little bit that way, and just get a couple of bigger amplifiers instead of a bunch of small amplifiers. But one thing I really like, because if you guys saw my SoundCube super tweeter review and my unboxing, I did not like the terminals on those to put your speaker wire. I hated them. It was a pain in the ass to make speaker pods for it. It was a pain in the ass to mount them, to get them to fit after I wrapped my door panels. These have push terminals that are right fucking in the back, so it doesn't get in the way of mounting. Very easy 4-screw mounting. I'm excited about that. I'm excited to be able to build these because it's going to be 10 times easier. And then, we got push terminals right here. Maybe for like some 16 gauge wire, really nothing thick. I was hoping I could use 14 gauge on this, so just a little bit thicker, but shouldn't be a huge deal. That's what Crescendo put on there, so I'm assuming that's what, it should be more than sufficient for these. I had the same complaint about the other speakers, the 8 ohm mid, the 8-inch mid as well as the 6.5-inch mid. I like these too because with my SoundCube tweeters, they are a fingerprint magnet. And a dust magnet, and for me vaping, it gets all of the fucking, it gets like a film over it over a couple of days, so I gotta constantly be cleaning them. Look at these, nothing, no fingerprints. That is wonderful. People can touch these and put their arm on them and do whatever the fuck they want without getting fingerprints on them. I'll be extremely happy about that. Other than that, not a very deep tweeter either. What's the mounting on this? 2.5, oh no, that's the mounting hole cutout. Mounting depth is 1 inch and about 1 3/4 inches. It said 1.9 inch, so it should be about 1 3/4 inches. So not very deep at all. I mean, you could probably even flush mount these in a few door panels without even having to build anything custom. That's really it though for today, guys. I definitely hope you enjoyed today's video. Pretty soon coming up, we're going to be having a video about how to design your dream car audio system, or just a huge system in general, because I just went through that process. So I'm going to kind of repeat the process again and show it to you guys on video. So maybe, because I was online looking myself, because my focus, I just kind of got everything together as I went. This I want to plan out so I know what the fuck I'm buying, so I'm not aimlessly spending money trying to get some sort of gratification. I don't have to do that this time. So what we're just going to be doing is going through showing you the links to everything that I'm going to be buying, how I figured out what speakers I'm buying, what amps, what batteries, everything. So if you guys are excited for that, be sure to subscribe. And as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. This is Rob, and I'm out. Peace, guys. I hope you enjoyed.
I got my own weed, sucker, so I ain't gotta hit yours. I'm talking straight endo. Cali weed blowing like a Rastaman. Kush seed straight from a